Hello everyone, my name is Harpreet Singh Chabra, currently pursuing MTech in Metallurgical and Material Engineering from IIT Kharagpur. So, I am here to give something about extraordinary startup ideas on recycling of lithium-ion batteries from electric vehicles. So, as you're thinking about that batteries of this acid batteries or this electric vehicles are new. No, they are not new. They are in a golden period of for the EVs was around 1800 to 1900s. At that time, basically the batteries were basically lead acid powered vehicles, not that this currently lithium ion batteries, but they are something batteries that we are currently using in our homes, such as inverters, and so they are basically lithium ion or are the missing golden period. So now, what are the reasons why we have transitioned from the electric vehicles to IC engine, electron combustion engine, which we are currently using, such as the heavy weight of the batteries. As we know, the lead acid batteries in our homes are very much heavy, and next is the short trip range because charging and discharging takes a lot of time and poor battery life, and it also takes a long charging time. So we have now moved towards the internal combustion engine batteries for the long range and the high horsepower. We want speed, we love with the speed at that times, and again we are moving towards the EV vehicles but with certain modification in the batteries. Why we are moving towards this? Because of the environmental concerns, because after using so many years of ICE engine battery engine cars, we have polluted the environment, so we have now moved on towards the EV vehicles again to reduce such pollution and for the environmental perspective. If the environmental condition becomes better and better in few years, we will see that we will currently we will also transition to the IC vehicles also if the environmental, and this IC to EV transition is currently in the progress. So now before going towards the new, basically our idea of the startup, so we will now move towards how does the lithium ion batteries work. So basically lithium ion batteries is made up of anode, a cathode, a separator, an electrolyte, and the two current collectors, a positive and a negative, both at the one at the cathode and the one at the anode side. And the electric current flows from the current collector to the device being powered to the negative current collector. This movement of lithium ion creates a free electrons in the anode, which creates a charge at the positive current collector, that is at the cathode side. The electrolyte carries positively charged lithium ions from the anode to the cathode, vice versa to the separator. Separator basically restricts the movement of the lithium ion, and the anode and cathode stores the lithium. So now the main question arises into mind why there is a huge demand of these LIBs currently. So because of the Paris Agreement, they have said that they have to reduce the emission of CO2. So they have estimated a year that by 2030 there will be 55% of the cut of the CO2 emission, and by 2035 there will be 100% cut of the CO2 emission. So, and you have also said prepares a draft plan so that there will be 30 million electric cars will be there, and they will completely ban the fossil fuel cars by 2030. So this means that there will be 30 million batteries will be generated, and this 30 million should be a good recycling process for us, so that and also environmental friendly, so we have to keep this in mind. So before investing into any ideas, certain things comes in the mind of the investor, that what are the future of this. So as the world transport sector energy of the USA have said that there will be the around 2050 to 2060 there will be basically the vehicles or the transport will basically will be run by the battery cells. So there is a good chance of the lithium ion batteries will be market, and if there is the market of lithium ion batteries, recycling will also will be good. And another is the lithium ion recycling market estimation by CAGR is that there will be 16.7% will be an increase in the market of the recycling of the lithium ion batteries. So we in order to cope up this, we have to do in from our side also. So this is basically the recycling processes. First is the sorting, then discharging, then dismantling. Dismantling of various processes, that is a conventional and a non-conventional part, and another is the pre-treatment processes and the metal extraction, which we have. I will tell about the hydrometallurgical, parametallurgical, and biohydrometallurgy. I will tell it in the coming slides. And then is the then we will get the metal from them. Then we will generally use it for the cathode. So these are the conclusions. As we know that I have told about the pyrometallurgical process and recovery of the alloys. Alloy is in the initial stage as is a research level, so we have to work on it towards further going to the into the planning stage. And the main idea is to basically lower the cost for the recycling process, because in nowadays they are very much higher and the cost is very much higher. So we have to reduce the cost, because in the coming years the batteries in the amount will be so these are the demands which the environment demands from us, that is the recycling of ecosystem for EV batteries, efficient utilization of resources, and from linear to circular economy if the recycling process is very much good, and use of clean source of energy. These are the references, and for further details I will give in the final presentation time. Thank you.